I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is my new Xsense home security smoke alarm system that I am so happy that we have. It makes us feel so secure being in our house, knowing that if there's ever a fire or smoke going off, we will be alerted on our phone wherever we're at. Here's a look at the hub. I love how small and discreet it is. It doesn't take up much space in the house, and it just has one button, which makes it really easy to set up. It comes with 3 sensors, which are very easy to install. It just takes a couple of screws, and then you can slide the sensor right in. Just takes a couple minutes and you're good to go. Setup on the app is really easy as well. Each sensor has a button that you use to connect it to your hub. We decided to put one in the hallway, the living room, and then the garage, and you can choose which room to associate it with. Keeps it nice and organized. So if you're in the market for a modern smoke alarm system, definitely check out Xsense Home Security. It's going to make you feel so much more confident when you leave your house, knowing that you will get notified on your phone if there's ever a fire in your house. And it's just really effective, really great quality. You won't be disappointed. That's my point of view.